Watch this video. We are using a bulk operation tool which will open a lot of trades just with one click. Look here. Within second it opened 100 plus trades on Boom 1000. We received the signal using system notification on phone. You guys can check here in messages, and we opened multiple trades on this. We believe in our system and our system power. Look here guys, we are waiting for an spike. We use the bulk operation tool to open a lot of trades. Look here guys. Wow. Look here guys. This is really awesome. When you make real profit, really unbelievable happiness. So this is the power of system guys. If you guys want to have this, you want to change your trading to the profitable journey, welcome to have this tool. Enjoy the profitable journey with Spike Trading. Check the description, chat with us.